a little long on the S&P, but that's kind of it. I said we would be having a couple of videos come out a week, probably 3, and we will probably do one on stock trading, one on Forex, and eventually we might do something with options, but and we'll look at some futures occasionally. But right now, today, we're just going to have the Forex and the futures, Forex and stocks. So let me get right into looking at some stock setups. Let me just move some things on my screen here. This is just our main website. If you want to go here and you want to schedule a one-on-one with us, go to PrecisionTradingLabs.com. A little thing will pop up, and you can schedule a one-on-one meeting with either Mitch or myself. So let's get right into some stocks. This is something I was waiting on today when the market kind of came down a little bit on Facebook. My goal tonight isn't really to look at day trading time frames. This is a 5-minute chart at Facebook. I was looking to get long in this vicinity here. So yeah, no problem. Not really. Look, I want to give you guys more higher time frame stuff, so that way it's not, for you guys who aren't day trading and more swing, more set and forget it style trades. So I was looking at this on CBS. Oh, here it is. Okay, thought I had it here. All right, so you'll see here on CVS, here's where we are right now, right at 80.84. You have a little bit of something below that you could look to take long. I'm not thrilled with these little areas in yellow here. Each individual trades, they're okay, and they'll do more than likely work out. Just feel like they're a little bit weaker, and this was like a weak move up here in that first week of February. So I'm really focused on maybe if we get a little bit of a move to the upside sometime this week. And I really like this short up here on CBS. See here how price moves down and then it just continues to drop from there. So this is where I'm interested in being getting short and possibly buying some puts, maybe selling calls, but I don't know if volatility is high enough. So this little vicinity here would be my first trade. I started with CVS because this is my favorite trade. I'm going to be waiting for this for a little while. Of the next 4 or 5 I'm going to show you. So that's CVS right here. When price gets up here, we're going to look to take it short, and our stop will be right behind that 83.87. And then it looks like I had some CELG. I did that over here. And it's here. Okay, CELG. All right, we can choose the daily chart. You see right here on CELG, I have this little piece of business here. It's a little bit of an aggressive entry at 119. So if you want to shave off some risk, you can use this 195-minute chart, and that'll get you 118.73 for your entry, and your stop at 117.20. Excuse me, 117. Yeah, let's say 117.20. Again, we need a little bit of pullback to get in here. Not much to stop it if it gets up here to the 123 area, but we got to wait for entry on this one to really get a target. We'll see what happens. But I do like these two setup, the setup on CELG. Again, these are coming ranked, CVS, CELG, these are my favorite setups. CMG has a nice setup. Chipotle. All right, this might be a good candidate for an options play. If you're interested in getting the options detail, we're not going to be doing that more than likely this week. So either email us at PTL at Precision Trading Labs or fill out the schedule thing on our website, and we'll set up a call with you, and we can talk about how you take an options play in here. Right here at that 400 to 403 area, I like this for a long. Again, the market's kind of coming down a little bit. I don't know if it's profit taking or we're going to start heading into a little bit of a down move or sideways action. So if this gets into this 403 area, right now it looks clean, but we'll have to wait and see for entry. So I'm going to be waiting until price gets down into this facility before I really decide to take the trade or not. So just pause the video if you want to see the exact parameters. All right, and then the XLF, another setup I had, but it's a little further away just because the financials have been doing so good lately. I think I had that up. There it is. So this is a monthly chart, guys. I mean, look at this move down from here from '08, when the financials just got destroyed. So if we're heading into this territory, the financials have been doing really well with Trump talking about deregulating Wall Street and all this kind of stuff. So if price gets in here, it doesn't look like the cleanest entry if we just spike into here and get down into this 24 area. Wouldn't be that great of a trade, but there's so much power behind this. I'm a fan to see what happens with this trade. I don't know. Again, this is a $24 stock. Maybe I'll take the stock or I'll do an options play. But I really like this move down from here. From looks like sometime in wow, August, yeah, September 1st, 2007 look like. So keep an eye on that. I was looking at the XLU, but I really don't necessarily love the setups I was getting. Yeah, that guy there. 30. Yeah, I didn't really like this. I just qualified this 5092 to 75 area. Don't take it. If one of my students, you'll kind of know why, but if not, again, send us an email. I don't want to say it on the free video. But yeah, I'm not going to go ahead and take this on the XLU, so move on to something else. Let's quickly, before I wrap up this video, I just want to take a look at the SPY and see what's going on there. Yeah, I mean, we had that gap up here. On the gap close, you might see something. I don't really particularly like this. Yeah, I'm just really not thrilled about that. Change this to a daily and see if it cleans it up for me a little. Yeah, I don't particularly like this setup. This is not the most aggressive move away I've seen. So if we get a retracement down here, I have nothing on the SPY. I mean, we have these little gaps here. One of the things I can do. Yeah. So there was my trade today on the S&P long. And it worked out beautifully, but let's go ahead and look. What am I going to delete? I'll fix it later. So this is what they're talking about, or what that's looking like on the SPY, where there's this little area in here. It's just kind of an area of interest, but look how sloppy this whole vicinity is on the S&P 500 futures, right? Yeah, I really don't know what it's. I think it's really just going to be more of a maybe we get a little bit of a move down. I think eventually the market will work its way through it. And this is just me talking, not so much saying what I would do because I only react. But I think price will eventually grind through this and head lower. Kind of think I'm just feeling it like it wants to give back a little bit, and then we could look to get long. As of now, wow, 22.92. That's a fairly sizable drop down to there. Other than that, I'm really not too bullish on the market. I mean, I do have some longs in here like we were looking at, but yeah, I'm not thrilled about those. You know what? Let me just throw in, because I got through these as fast as I wanted to. I had something on the XLE. So see how this monthly zone held up right here? See this big move down? Price got in here, touched, and was coming down. Now, if it can work its way through here, I have this circled in blue just because it's nothing I want to take the XLE long from, but I'm just curious if it's either going to ruin the short or it's going to work its way through it. And then we'll look for a short on a lower time frame, but right now, I don't really see much there. This trade happened already, so there's nothing here. It's just doing some analysis. Anyway, take a look at that. CVS, CELG, Chipotle, CMG, the XLF, and the XLU. There is no trade on. So give a look-see to those, and we will talk soon. Again, look out for the next video. I'm going to be in this email that you're going to get. You're going to see the Forex video and the stock video. Again, if you have options questions or want to know more option stuff, just reply to the email or fill out the scheduling tool on our website, and we will look forward to speaking with you. Take care, guys. Bye.